Hi everyone, welcome back to Diamond Paintings with me, your host Mike. I have been sent some fan mail from the lovely lady over at Diamond Paintings with TM. So please do check out her channel, give her a like, give her a subscribe, and that will help her channel out. But I don't know what's in here. I was told to keep an eye out for it, so I have no idea what this is. Oh, I wonder what it is. Oh my. It feels like chocolate or something. Oh, it's a red box. It's a red box, guys. What is it going to be? Apologies about the shadow. I don't normally film. Oh, wow. Oh, it's a present. Oh my God, was I supposed to open it now? Oops, I have though. Oh, wow. What is this? Oh, wow. Oh, it's a gift. It's a gift in a box. I think this was supposed to be for Christmas, but oh well. Oh, what is it going to be? Let's open it up. Oh, that's such a shame to open it. What is it? Oh. And it is... Oh, we've got even more things to do. Thank you for the support from Jessa. Who's Jessa? Okay. Oh wow. No. Oh, Tessa, you are so. Oh wow. Look at that. You're so naughty to me. You know I love chocolate. Oh. Oh, thank you so much. Diamond Paintings with TM. You are amazing. Thank you so much. So that I've tried. Kit Kat Chunky White Lion Bar. Oh, that is so nice. White chocolate, white Milky Bar, and white Kinder Bueno. OMG, like, what have I done to deserve this? Thank you so much. I am so happy. It really does bring a tear to my eye when someone sends me a gift, because it's so nice when someone sends you a gift. And obviously I've sent some gifts to her, and Diamond Paintings with TM. Her name is Tessa, and she was very, she said, I want to send you something, because obviously you've sent me some gifts. And I said, okay then. And oh my, I can't believe this. This is, and I'm a Celebrities On tonight, guys, so this will go down a treat. I can't believe this. This is absolutely lovely. Thank you ever so much. And I really am so grateful for this. I really am. And this is what friends are for. You know, as I said in the past, real friends will always be there for you. The fake ones are the ones that go and pretend to be your friend and not. But I have had so many lovely gifts over the years. I've had paintings, I've had vouchers, and now this. I don't know what to say. I'm speechless. Thank you ever so much. And thank you. I will thoroughly enjoy this. And yeah, I can't believe it. Thank you ever so much. And I can't believe it. Wow. I really am so over. I don't know what to say. I'm really happy. I can't believe this. Just that someone. This is the thing with YouTube. It's very rewarding. It connects you to people, and I am very grateful for this. Totally unexpected, but yeah, I can't believe this. Thank you so very much. Obviously, it's not diamond painting related, but as I said, if you want to send me a gift, the address is in the description below the video, as well as my Amazon wish list. All gifts are greatly accepted, unless you're blocked, then obviously I will destroy it, because I don't put up with people pretending to be your friend and they're not. But yeah, I will thoroughly enjoy this. I don't know what I've done to deserve this lovely gift, but wow. And that must be the seller, because apparently it came from Etsy. But thank you so much. Please remember to like, share, subscribe. Please do give Tessa a like, a share, a subscribe. It really will help her channel out, and let's try and get her up to about 200 subs if we can. But what a lovely thing to do. And I will now put the cat on and thoroughly enjoy this. So thank you so much. From the bottom of my heart, I really am very grateful. Thank you so much. And please remember to like, share, subscribe. And I'll see you a bit later on for the next video. Bye, guys.